find the geometric mean of numbers in a triangle. And basically what we're going to do is we are going to use right triangles. We're going to be able to find missing sides and values in a right triangle based on using the geometric mean. Okay, so how does this work? Okay, well, we're going to set up a bunch of proportions here, but what I'm really going to do is I'm going to teach you a shortcut way to do this. Okay, so you're going to be given a triangle, usually with 3 missing values. Okay, when I see my triangle with my, let me back up. I'm going to see 3 triangles here. Here's my big triangle here. Okay, here's my tiny triangle there. And here's my medium triangle there. They are 3 right triangles. If I have 3 right triangles, I can use the ratios between all their sides with the geometric mean and find the answer. Before I do that, I need to always find this length right here, which is 33. Okay, so here's our pattern. Our pattern is if I want to find x, I take my first right to 8, and I take my second right to 33. So x will equal the square root of 8 times the square root of 33. I am not going to simplify these right now. I'm just telling you guys how to set them up. If I want to find y, simplifying is what we did in the last video if you want to watch how to do that. If I want to find y, I'm going to go to 25 and to 33. So I take 2 left-hand turns. I'm going to get root 25 times root 33, which that's easy to simplify. Root 25 is 5. 5 root 33. Then z, what I do with z is I never go through this bar straight ahead. I can't go through that bar. So I'm going to take a left to 8 and a right to 25. So it'll be square root of 8 times the square root of 25. And then we solve, right? So that's going to be the square root of 200, which is 10 root 2. What I did was I took square root of 100 times square root of 2 there. Up here, what we're going to get is 8 is 2 root 2 times root 33, which equals 2 root 66. Root 2. And so I get my 3 lengths here. I'm not going to use decimals. And I'm going to simplify. All right, let's try another one. We're just going to do a bunch of these and keep practicing. First thing I need to do is draw my bar, which is going to be 12. 3 plus 9. I'm going to start with x. X is going to make 2 turns. So x will equal root 3 times root 12, which is root 36, which is actually 6. So x will equal 6. Okay, now I'm going to take y. I'm going to go to 9, and I'm going to go to 12. Y equals root 9 times root 12. If I simplify both of these, I get 3. If I could draw a 3, I get 3 times 2 root 3, which is 6 root 3. And then z, I can't go through this bar, so I have to turn and turn. So z is root 9 times root 3. But I already see that 9 has a square root, so it is 3 root 3. So those are my 3 answers. Okay, I'm going to have you guys solve these two on your own, or try it on your own for x, y, and z. All right, so we always draw our bar first, which is 14. Okay, I always like to start with x. You can start with whatever number you want. Got a turn, got a turn. 10 times 4 is 40. X equals root 40. I'm not going to simplify right now. Y makes 2 turns. 14 times 4, use your calculator. Y equals root 56. And Z equals, I got to go to the 10 and the 14, equals root 140. And what I'm going to find is, I can simplify these. This will be 2 root 10, because 4 is the only factor I can pull out. With 56, once again, 4 is the only factor I can pull out. Okay, so it's going to be 2 root 14, right? Because 14 times 4, the other one was 4 times 10. And my last one, 4 once again is going to be my only factor, and so it's going to be 2 root 35. So some weird numbers there. Use your calculator, it'll help you. All right, let's add here. That's going to be 19. I'll start with x. I'm going to take a turn and a turn. X will equal square root of 60, because that's 15 times 4. Y will equal, type in my calculator, I don't know that answer, 15 times 19, and that's going to be root 285. And you're actually going to find you cannot simplify that one. Z is going to be 4. Go around the corner to 4. Go around the corner to 19. 4 times 19 equals root 76. As we look at all these, the only one we can simplify, actually no, I take that back. We can simplify 2 of them. Okay, 60 is going to be 2 root 15. 76, root 76 is going to be 2 root 19. And then root 285, if I do 285 divided by 5,